How to change account name on CoinEx. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to change your account name on CoinEx, then it is super easy. First of all, launch open the CoinEx application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of CoinEx, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now you'll be able to see this expanded menu where you need to go ahead and click on your current username from the top. This will open the basic info section where you need to tap on your account name option. Go ahead and enter a new name you want to change to for your account name. Once you are done, click on save and you have successfully changed your account name on CoinEx account. Make sure that your name is unique and you are done. So super easy, isn't it? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.